this nightmare, his duty, whose dream has become this nightmare, his duty and his mission.